Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Rorecay Oven Mitt pot holder set. This is going to be a silicone pot holder set that you can currently get on Amazon for about anywhere from $18 to $20. This is going to be the beige color, which is really called milkshake, but they've got a wide variety of color options as far as 12 different colors. They've got teal, black, red, olive, gray, like a light green, blue, like another olivish green, pink, yellow, and then light blue. So definitely a wide variety of color options. The reason why I purchased this is because I needed new pot holders and I really like the silicone design. So this one is 500 Fahrenheit heat resistance. It's non-slip snowflake surface as far as the surface. It's 15 inches form protection, FDA approved food grade silicone. It has organic cotton quilted liner, hand wash and machine washable, which is actually pretty nice from that standpoint because sometimes you get food on it. It's waterproof and rinse to clean, and it has a hidden hang loop design. As far as the box itself, that's really all it has. It does have a QR code if you want to check that out as well, but we'll open this. The reason why I picked this product was really the color options, the fact that it was a set, and then that it did have very good reviews online. And this is what the actual contents are of the box. And so you've got pot holders themselves. You can use this as putting your pots on a surface because they are heat resistant. They do have a hook here, so you can hook it directly onto something as far as storage. And they are very pliable, have this like honeycomb design with these small wedges. Very easy to grip, so you can basically just use this, grip around whatever you need, lids on something, anything like that. Put it as a trivet on the table, but it's a very thick material and it's a nice feel in the hand. It's very lightweight. These are silicone pot holders. I previously used similar ones like this. This is actually really why I purchased this, but basically it's just like a Pac-Man design where all you have to do is just kind of reach in, so it's good for reaching the dishes through the oven, lids on actual containers. If you have a pot that isn't insulated, you can use this as well, but this is a good design. I'll say that in general, this one's a little bit flimsier as far as the thinness here, as far as it's not too thick, so my fingers aren't the best as far as fitting. I wish it extended a little bit more or tighter around my hand. So that's one kind of first impression here, but I'll have to test it out. It does have grooves on the inside here to keep it from slipping as well, but it hopefully should serve the functionality as long as you can grip it well enough. And very similarly, both of these have hooks as well, so you can hook it somewhere if you need to. And then lastly, here's the actual pot holders. So this is basically, as they just said, cotton quilted design. It has silicone with this honeycomb pattern. You can actually hear the texture. It's actually textured all the way up to the wrist. Very similar design on the back. And then on the inside, it's a quilted design here with this hanger so you can hang it. We'll put this on, so it reaches all the way up to, like, this is my elbow. It's all the way up to like mid-form, so it reaches really, really far there. So if you do need to reach far into an oven, deeper or something like that, it will protect you from heat, which is pretty cool. It says Rorecay right there. And then it's very, very flexible, feels very good in the hand. It's a good fit for my hand size, but should work extremely well from that standpoint. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this product. The fact that it's silicone design, cotton, like here, it's really nice. I do like the color aspect of it. It's a really nice color as far as the beige, and kind of all this serves the functionality for anything you need in the kitchen. I will say that I'll have to test out these pot holders. They do kind of feel like a little bit slippery, so I'll have to see if like grabbing a pot or anything slips out of my hand with this. But I wish it was a little bit like tighter around here, or longer so that it could stay a little bit further on my hand rather than kind of just the fingertips themselves. But that's all I have for this video. This is the Rorecay Oven Mitt Pot Holder Set. check out the different color options below. There's 12 of them, and it's only about $17 to $20, which is a great price for this product. I couldn't really find others on the market that were comprehensive as far as having all these options with this type of color, which is why I purchased it. But thanks for watching and have a great night.